Hey guys, Yasil here, back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at my trusty soldering station that I picked up from AliExpress. I paid about $40, if I'm not mistaken, for this. And it's one of these generic 936 soldering stations that you can find quite commonly on eBay or AliExpress. I watched a few of Big Clive's videos where he reviewed some of these, and I was quite impressed. And for the price you're paying, it actually performs very well, especially if you're starting off, working with electronic components. So this one I picked up doesn't have a digital display. There are quite a few other ones that have a nice LCD display of the temperature that your soldering iron is going to be at. Unfortunately, the shipping worked out quite expensive for some of them. This was the only one that I found on AliExpress where the shipping wasn't that bad, and in total it came to close to $40. So here is the actual the actual interface of using the soldering station. It's very simple. Here's the single temperature gauge that you can you can set from either 200 degrees Celsius all the way to 480. I'm not 100% sure if this is calibrated correctly or as stated. I haven't really tested the actual temperature of the soldering iron when to verify what's being set here is the actual temperature that I'm getting out. I hope to do that at some point when I get the necessary tools for that. But yeah, like I said, very simple. This comes with the actual 5-pin, 6-pin soldering iron handle, soldering iron itself. Yeah, and this works pretty well. I've done almost actually all of my projects using this soldering iron, and I've got it for probably more than 6 months now, and I haven't had much of an issue with it. I did replace the actual tip of the soldering iron using one of these ones that has a bit of a flat end, and yeah, it works very well. So I have a little kit here that I can quickly solder some stuff together just to demo how well this works. Right, let me get that kit. Okay, so I got one of these cool little LED random dice kits of AliExpress as well, and just to use as a demo for this soldering iron review. I'm going to solder these header pins onto this actual PCB. So the soldering iron is nice and warm, so let me try and get the solder using some of Big Clive's fancy tricks. Let's see if I can do this. So please forgive me because I'm not that skilled as Mr. Big Clive himself. There we go. So hold on, let me move this a bit closer. Get this in nice and close to the camera so you guys can see. Boom. So you can see that this little soldering iron is actually, our soldering station is actually pretty good. Yeah, so I've noticed this as compared to the other little USB soldering iron I had. Ooh, I'm messing this up a bit. With this, you don't really have to wait for a long period of time Let me clean out the soldering head. For your actual iron to get warm between solder joints. Because what I noticed is, especially if I was doing soldering like this, after soldering one pad, it really struggled to to distribute enough heat into the next one, because it took too long to recover from dissipating that heat. So I noticed with this, it's really quick. You can get through quite a few solder joints very quickly, without any problem. So let's keep this soldering iron head clean, and almost done here. Cool. So basically, you guys get the gist of my. Please forgive my very amateur soldering skills, but there you go. Works like a charm. For $40, really good soldering station. Let's turn that off. There you go. Yeah, not bad, pretty good. I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description below, and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.